Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Charlotte Beauty. Today we are going to do the signature look of Charlotte Tilbury. If you're visiting to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe it, share my videos. This is from Deconstruct lip balm. It's going to brighten and give a hydration to my lips. So I'm starting with micellar water so that if any makeup is there on my skin, it's going to remove it. Micellar water here I'm using from Quench. Then I'm going to use this toner. This is from Dot & Key. Why do we use the toner? To give a firmness to your skin. So I'm going to use Quench Face Mist because Charlotte Tilbury has this magic cream which gives instant glow to the face. We do not have those kind of product to reach to that range. That's why I'm going to use multiple hydrating products to give a boost, the hydration boost to my face. Ultra light gel moisturizer from Quench. I apply gel moisturizer to my skin because I have a combination skin. This is Unreal Blurfect primer. We are going to use it instead of Hollywood filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, this is something awesome. Like, you can see the difference, right? I'm loving it from the first use. This is the first time I'm using it. Okay, this is something unreal. Okay, wow. So I'm using the eyeshadow palette from Europe Girl Cosmetics. So right now I'm going to conceal my under eyes. So I'm going to conceal. So now I'm going to correct my under eyes. I don't have a lot of under eye dark, so I don't have much of a dark circle, but I have something to hide it. So I'm going to use this Derma palette for my whole base. From my earlobe to chin, because we are going to give a sculpted look. That's why this downwards. So now this is a place where we place the blush. So blush also I'm going to keep it upwards. I'm going to take some of the product here instead of placing it directly on my cheek. From here I'm going to take it, apply it on cheek. I'm not making my face blushy kind. I'm just giving it a subtle look. I'm going to use this highlighter from K Beauty under the eyes, around the nose, around the mouth for that pop-up look. So we are using this concealer for my face instead of the retoucher from Charlotte Tilbury. Blend it. Now we are going to set up this like whole look with powder. I'm going to use this powder blush, and this is from Forever 52. So I'm done doing my liner till here, and from here also this like till here, because I'm going to create that wing. Giving the hint till here we are going to do. Okay, let's measure. Is it perfect? Yes. So now I'm going to join these two dots. Now we are going to fill it with black liner. Now we have this challenging part to create the wing, the inner corner wing. Okay, first, without pinching, like some people do it with pinching it. Before doing that, we are going to create the line. So make sure, like, if you are someone who is having this kind of, eye layer, skin layer in the inner corner of your eyes, you can go for it. Otherwise, you have that blessed eye corner. Okay, now from the middle of my eyes, from corner, I'm going to drag it and see if we require the joint. Yes, we require. This is from Face Secret Artist Lip Liner. First, I'm going to use a very light shade. Bit of a dark lip liner if required. Just buff it a bit. This lipstick is from a Europe Girl, Silky Matte. I love this lipstick. I say, like, you must try this one. This glides on your lips like butter. Like most of the lipstick I use are like butter. This has something else. Like, this is also water resistant. It stays longer. So I'm going to use Dot & Key lip balm. It has no color of its own. So yeah. This is something my final look. Now this is my final look. Hope you liked it, and comment below कि आपको ये कैसा लगा. And do not forget to make your skin smile. I'll meet you in my next episode. Bye bye.